Hey guys, we are still driving our van around Thailand. Today we are heading up north for Songkran, but first we are in a city called Maeklong. I don't know how it is, I'll put it down below. We are heading to a market, which is apparently at a train station, which is super cool. Just want to say a massive thank you to eSIM.sm for sponsoring this video. They have been a long time sponsor of our channel, so go check them out. Link is in the description. Code Mar.Lavender for 15% off. But before we go, let me just show you this, because there are fish literally in front of this cafe that we've just been to. We're at a petrol station, but look at that. That is insane. Like, there's so many. I don't think they're goldfish. Are they koi carps maybe? But anyway, that is pretty cool. They seem to have like loads of fishes like everywhere in Thailand. So yeah, just thought I'd show you that. And now we're gonna go hit the road and hopefully I can sit in my seat. But we'll meet you guys at the market. We have just parked up around the corner from the market, and we have how long left until...
We made it. We got...
Till the train comes?
We got 5 minutes until the train comes.
Okay.
But we are right. We just crossed the tracks.
Apparently you have to like find a space to stand whilst the train's coming. So let's hope we are shouted enough so we don't get like close. Anyway, apparently the train comes like within inches of you, so... Yeah, that's going to be quite scary actually. So we're at the beginning of the market and someone's already started like ringing a bell. So we're going to wait here until the train goes past and then go check out this market. It's pretty crazy, isn't it though?
Yeah, there's like not a lot of people here though.
Yeah.
I thought it was going to be ram, but really quiet.
Wow, it is. Don't know whether it's because it's like a holiday or something, but yeah, it's actually so deserted. Every video we've ever seen of this is absolutely full. So sorry guys, honestly the mic thing has been a bit of an issue from dropping the mic into the sea, but hopefully you guys can hear us enough, and hopefully we can get some mic soon because this is so annoying. Are you ready?
I feel like in our heads this has been such like a big build up, but now I've realised we're just waiting for a train.
Let's get really close. Oh, I think they've annoyed him a little bit. Oh, that is so loud. Oh wow. And there it is. And now it goes back to a market. Hopefully we're gonna see everyone like take all of their what are they called? Sun visors? No? Okay, this definitely looks a lot quieter than I thought it was gonna be, but we're still gonna walk down to the end and see. Maybe stores will open up very quickly, or maybe because it's like the Songkran holiday, just people aren't open. I don't know. Maybe we came at the worst time ever. But yeah, let's see. So this is just how quick people get back to like business after this train goes. It's been like what?
That was literally like 2 minutes. They've already got all their fruit back out.
All the fruit, all the hats, all the... I still don't know what these are called. Umbrellas? I don't know. Tents. But yeah, oh, should we get a 7-Eleven top? I see everybody walking around with these. Oh, they do have some really cool stuff though. Apparently this train goes past like 8 times a day, and for 8 times a day, like they have to close the market up, bring everything back out.
Get elephants.
So here it is. Oh, you can get your nice little fish. Some souvenirs over here. We went and bought some stuff.
We got, I think these, you hang them.
Oh, little Thailand wallet.
Fresh Thailand wallet.
Wow. The market wasn't that busy. We still got our souvenirs, and it is absolutely boiling. I don't know how this one road just gets so hot. I have no idea.
Wow. It's 36 degrees now, but here it feels like, yeah, I don't know why, it's so much warmer here.
That's all we came for, really. We came for some souvenirs and to see the train mostly. We've seen it. So what we're gonna do is head back on the road. We've got a massive drive. So we are gonna pick up the camera in a couple of days when it's Songkran, get this drive done and yeah, get to some juice, get to some excitement. We've just stopped at this place to have some food and we've literally realised that this was hanging off the whole time we were driving.
We must have been driving like this for like an hour or so maybe. We hit a bump going down one of the main roads and like it felt like the van took off.
Is there any other injuries? That seems okay.
That has hit the bodywork here. Yeah, we chewed the tyre up a bit.
Yeah, it's fine. But that. Hey, and just like new. We've stopped off at this place. We're gonna have some food and then park up for the evening. Man, I'm so hungry. And this place looks pretty cute actually. It's like a little tiny shack just to the side of a busy road. Let's see what they have to eat. We were gonna eat here, but this food looks like it's been sat here all day. I'm sure it was probably fine, but I don't think our English stomachs will be okay with food that's been sat out in like 40-degree heat. So I think it might be wise to... Oh! We did buy this though. Oh no. Yeah, we're just gonna go to a 7-Eleven, so we'll see you guys there. So there was a noise just now. I'm pretty sure it's the light. I think we're gonna check it when we stop at the next service station, but yeah, it didn't sound too good. I can confirm that it was the light. Oh man. Well, at least the bulbs are still in.
Yeah, hopefully, we still got lights, but we'll have to attach them somewhere like that.
I hope we can get this to where it needs to be in one piece, but we'll just have to find out, won't we? As you guys can see, Songkran is officially underway. Songkran is Thailand's New Year. This is our first Songkran, and yeah, it's gonna be amazing. I don't know if you can see over here. People have already got their water guns, their water barrels filled up. It is gonna be absolute chaos. Here is our Songkran attire for today. Got a Songkran top. We got our water gun. I'm joking. And yeah, it's just gonna be absolutely mental. I'm so excited. Let's go. All parked up. Getting right in to the belly of the fight.
When you've got a water gun, you can't even walk anywhere discreetly here. Like, we just want to get to the main location, but
we're a target.
No
So we've just been walking through here, and I was trying to film, but the camera stopped, and we've just been absolutely, hello! We've been absolutely ambushed, and yeah, I already look like this. But this white stuff on my face is basically chalk. People do it. Oh, hello! People do it to give you luck for the new year. But we're gonna go in to the main bit, and hopefully we can make it through. Look at Connor, he is absolutely soaked. Don't they throw like ice cold water?
Yeah, some people have got big ice cubes in their water, and
not fun at all. But yeah, look, everybody is literally ready. We're gonna walk back down here, and we're gonna head in to the main area. So let's go. Oh, Connor's getting all the good luck. Yeah, it's good luck. This chalk is good luck for the new year. Oh my god, look at these guys here. They just look violated. The whole objective right now is to get to the main road, which has like all the bars, everyone's throwing water, like a walking zone really. And then they've got a big parade happening. But yeah, we're trying to get there, and we're already absolutely soaked and freezing. Luckily it's hot in Thailand, because otherwise I think I'd probably get a cold. But yeah, let's head off, and we'll meet you guys when we're in the main road. We're going in. No, I got no gas. trying to do his job. We are in what's known as a safe zone at the moment.
Well,
And I don't know how
not
safe
so
it is.
safe really.
No,
People still shoot.
100%. But yeah, we are truly and well Songkran. I don't even know if that's a word, but honestly, it is crazy. We're gonna just enjoy the rest of Songkran, and if anything happens, I will film it. Other than that, that is the end of the vlog. I honestly have had the best time in Thailand. It's been amazing.
End of the vlog, and it's end of Thailand as well.
Oh yeah, literally end of Thailand, end of the vlog. But yeah, we have thoroughly enjoyed it. We ended up staying out really late. Songkran usually lasts about like 3 days, but in some places it's a little bit more. And the Thais know how to party. It was so crazy. Anyways, on that note, I'll catch you guys on the next vlog. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment down below. And we are coming right back with some new van raffle content. So stay tuned and we'll see you guys on the next one.